Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can extend a song in Suno AI. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com, and what we're looking for can be found either in the create or library section. We'll go ahead and click on create. You can see here some of the songs that we've created already. And what we're looking for can be found next to each of our generations. You'll see these three little dots. If we click on that, that's going to open up, and up here where you see remix and edit, you're going to see here the option to extend. Let's go ahead and click on that. And now you could see here that we could select the time to extend the clip from. Right now it's at the very end of the song, which is 3 minutes and 4 seconds, but you can modify that if you wish. So if you want to extend the song from a certain point, then you can just toggle this bar here and dial that in. Once you are done, then all you have to do is just click on remix. We'll go ahead and do that. And now you can see that Suno is extending our song. This should take only a few moments, but you can note here as well that it does say part 2. So that's your indication that this is the extension. So once you have completed that, this is going to take a few moments, but then when it's done, you can download that. We'll just demonstrate here the 3 dots. You can see download. And you can see here that it's still working, but when that's done, then you can go ahead and just click on that and you can download your extended song. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested, take a look in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. And if you're interested in a Simply Financial account, you can get $50 to get started. And if you get signed up and refer your friends, then you can get $125 for every referral, and your friends will get $50 to get started. Click on any of those links in the description. You'd be helping us out, and we would greatly appreciate it.